Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
There's a Phillips head screw right here. We're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, take this screw out. Then we're going to grab this panel with two hands and pull down. And then I'm going to pull this release, the adjuster for the steering column down, and then pull this panel out of the way. So next, to pull the upper cover off, there's 3 Phillips head screws. They're hidden. You kind of got to go in between these wiring harnesses here and go up there. That's for one. So we'll take that one out. Oh, there it is. And then there's another one right here in front of this white connector here. I'm going to take that one out. Pull that one out. And the last one, we're going to pull the steering column outward and have it up with the adjuster down. And that one is over on this side. So once you get those out, put the steering column down, and then we can pull the upper cover off. Now we're going to put this cover on. Get that lined up good. We'll take our Phillips head screw. Go up in that hidden location. Just going to get it started so then I can wiggle it around to get the other ones in if I need to. And then get this last one in back here. I'll pull the column adjustment lever down. All right, all those screws are started. Now I'll snug them all down. Push down on the cover so it's lined up. Now we're going to put the lower cover on. Slide this in. Get it lined up with the upper cover. It's lined up, push it together. When it all clicks in place, you know it's in. Next we'll take our Phillips head screw, install that right here. And we can lock our steering wheel column.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.